Hello everyone, my name is Tommy. My business is Thế Anh Nguyễn. My student ID is 224345482. And now I will represent my task D1 analyzing YouTube video data from news purposes. Okay, in this start I will use the YouTube API to get data from YouTube. And then I will use that data to analyze the behavior of the viewers or the trend of one topic. The topic I chose today is coronavirus, and here the code chunk I copy from the collect file to post right here to explain something. First of all, I will explain the keyword. This keyword have the API to find the videos that's suitable to my topic. The keyword include coronavirus, COVID-19, and pandemic. Then the data we collect from the 1st January of 2020 to the 30th of April 2025, and this have me to collect the data in a suitable range, and then the data only will collect from 4 YouTube channel, and here the channel is include Fox News, BBC News, CNN, and MSNBC. Mass video of each YouTube channel is just only 50, and that's what defined right here. Okay. First of all, I need to import library I need to use in this program, and here the library I have just import. Then I will do the clean and repair data. The provided file have already the code to do it, so I don't need to do it one more time. I just display something. That's first of all, this code help me to collect data by rich CSV file. Then it will have me to convert some data type that from an object to a more suitable type. Then this will have me create some new column that have me to easier to analyze in the last part. And the last one, it have me to merge data right here. It will have me easier to merge in analyze. Then we move to the main part of this task. This task, I will to do the 3 questions. E1 in the part E1 is part me to do 2 questions, and part E2 I need to finish 1 more. Alright, let's go to the first one. In this question, I need to compare distribution, the number of views, likes, and comments for the videos. Then I use the diagram to explain it, describe it, and show my observation after analyzing the diagram. Okay, here my code. First of all, I will create a list to set the column name and set the title. Then I will create a diagram. Diagram have the 3 subplots. So let's go right here. And in this one, you see the code to create histogram for each subplot. The subplot, I need to add this condition. The column code must larger than 0, because if I don't add if I didn't add that condition, this diagram wouldn't have the KTE line, because it has some 0 point. So that's why I need to add some this question. Then I set bin by 30, KD true, and log scale by true. The reason why I set the log scale, because this diagram is very strong right scale. So log scale have me easier to take a look at the diagram, easier to analyze. Okay, take a look at the diagram, and here is some observation I realized after look at this. So about the views, more videos received between 10,000 to 100,000 views. It only small number over 1 million. The KDE curve is kind of smooth and unimodal. These are the viral videos are rare outliers, and this pattern suggests that YouTube algorithm may put certain content into trending, which lead to exceptional view count while while majority of videos achieve little reach. And about the like, distribution of the likes kind of similar with the squad of view but lower absolute count, and about the comment it's kind of be different. The trend is more irregular and unpredictable, with peak around 100 and 1000 comments and more KDE curves as some videos have no comment. Okay, and so what does mean? It means these three distributions together reveal a classic engagement funnel, few at the top up few at the top, lie in the middle, and comments at the bottom. While the view and glide pole is a bit smooth, predictable pattern, comments stand out, are more scattered, and content sensitive. This indicates why most viewers passively consume content. Only a small fraction engage deeper, particular by campaigning. Alright, and then the second thing I realized is this part aligning with the assumption about digital engagement. Um, the heavy rise scale across the metric suggests power law distribution, which is popular in online ecosystem where a few items capture a majority of attention. Yeah. Finish the task. Finish the question one. The first question. We will move to the second one. Yes, in the second one, I need to analyze the total number of views, likes, and comments for the videos published by different news publishers. Then I will draw the pie chart to get to discuss to show what is different and analyze it. Okay, here my code. First, similar, I will I will calculate the total view, like, and comment by this first. Here's a code to do it. Yep, then I will define the title of three diagrams. Then I will create a subplot. Similar, it has three subplots in one diagram. And here my code to do it. I will use Cbond to create a pie plot. Here is my code. And here my diagram after drawing. Yeah, you take a look. And here's my observations. I have to take a look. First of all, we can see CNN lead a large gap in comparison with other in all views. And in the views, BBC News and Fox News had a similar view count, while MSNBC tries slightly behind. About the live view, live number, CNN still the largest, and followed by the Fox News and BBC News. And in the comment, CNN continue to dominate this view, followed by Fox News. SNBC and BBC News has significantly fewer comments. Overall, so our insight was that CNN consistently outperformed the other publishers in three engagement metrics, indicate a broader risk and higher audience interaction. Fox News saw relative stronger engagement in like and comment compared to its total views, while BBC News, despite solid view counts, see less interaction, especially in comments. This might reflect difference in audience behavior, content style, and engagement strategy across the channel. Okay, in the next question, we will move to the task E2. In this question, I will filter 10 comments with more reply to analyze what happened in that. Similarly, we will get the total number of reply to each comment by Discord, and then select the comment with that parent comment ID. And the last one, I will merge the root comment with reply counts to reveal the number of reply in each root comment by Discord. You take a look, when you merge, then I will fill R and 8 by 0. Just help me easier to analyze and have no bugs when calculating. Okay, then I will get the top 10 by using the enlarge and solve it into string. I said to make it more nicer and easier to take a look, I will set a left align instead of by default that's your right aligned. Okay, let's take a look. Here my data frame after modifies, and here is some observation I realized after take a look at this one. I realized the table presents top 10 comments with the highest number of replies across various news channels. This comment received between 7 to 20, which saw a strong audience engagement, especially. The most replies to comment come from the Fox News, BBC News, and CNN, with 20 replies. The topic comments it varies from investment discussion and pandemic-related measure to simple advice finding marks indicate that variety of topic can trigger active discussion. SNBC appear frequently in top 10, with several comments received between 7 and 14 replies covering topics such as personal health experience and healthcare programs. One particularly long comment from SNBC details an individual COVID-19 experience likely resonating with many viewers and promising substantial interaction. Overall, CNN and MSNBC dominate the list, suggesting their audience is highly interactive. There are the variety of common comments from personal story to policy or economic discussions, so that both practical advice and personal experience can try replies. This highlights that deeper engagement is not limited into a sensational topic but also arise from relatable real-world issues.